Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, in the last lecture, we studied covalent bonds, mean how atoms share electrons, either one, two, or three pairs to form single, double, and triple covalent bonds. But today, we will look at another special type of covalent bond, which is coordinate covalent bond, which is also called as the deuterium bond. So, coordinate covalent bond or deuterium bond. My dear student, a coordinate covalent bond is a type of covalent bond in which both electrons of the shear pair come from the same atom. One atom donates the lone pair and the other atom only provides an empty orbital to accept them. My dear student, in an ordinary covalent bond, each atom donates one electrons. In a coordinate covalent bond, one atom donates both electrons. My dear student, the atom that donates the electron pair is called the donor, while the atom that accepts the electron pair is called the acceptor. Now, representation of coordinate covalent bonds are deuterium bond. Coordinate covalent bonds are represented by an arrow pointing from the donor to the acceptor. For example, from nitrogen to hydrogen. Now, formation mechanism of coordinate covalent bond. The donor atom must have a lone pair of electrons. The acceptor atom must have an empty orbital. The donor donates its lone pair into the empty orbital of the acceptor, forming a stable bond. Now, examples of coordinate covalent bond are deuterium bond. The first one is ammonium, NH4 positive. Formation: ammonia NH3 has three covalent bonds and one lone pairs and nitrogen. A hydrogen ion, H positive, has no electrons, only an empty 1s orbital. Nitrogen donates its lone pair to form a bond with H positive hydrogen ion. Reaction: ammonia NH3 plus hydrogen ion forming NH4 positive. Here, the nitrogen donates electrons to hydrogen ion. Bond is a coordinate covalent bond. Structure: three ordinary covalent bonds between nitrogen and hydrogen. One coordinate bond formed by nitrogen's lone pair. And the second one as addition compound of NH3 and BCl3. Formation: my dear student, ammonia NH3 has alone pairs and nitrogen is donor. Boron trichloride has an empty p orbital and boron acceptor. Nitrogen donates its lone pair into boron's empty orbital, forming a coordinate covalent bond. Reaction: NH3 plus BCl3 form NH3, further form BCl3. Here, nitrogen donates electrons to boron, represent the deuterium or coordinate covalent bond. Structure: boron completes its octet by accepting the lone pair. Ammonia acts as a Lewis base being donor. BCl3 acts as a Lewis acid mean acceptor. Now, Key points to remember. My dear student, coordinate covalent bonds behave like normal covalent bonds once formed. The arrow always points from donor to acceptor. Common and complex ions, acid base, adducts, and transition metal complexes. So, my dear student, this is all about today lectures and coordinate covalent bonds. I hope you understand. If this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and also share it with your friends and comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.